Today in art, you are going to be working on the Minnesota benchmark of I can use art vocabulary and techniques. So today you're going to be learning about something that's called a landscape. Can you say that? Landscape. Very good. Do you hear the word land in landscape? Well, a landscape is a drawing or painting of land. And here we see an autumn landscape of an old-time harvest by the artist Grant Wood. So it's a landscape. Well, I would like you to take a look at these paintings here, and if it's a landscape, a drawing or painting of the land, I would like you to say landscape, and I'm going to put it in this treasure box. Now, if it's not a landscape, if it's a portrait instead, portrait being a drawing or painting of a person, I would like you to say portrait, and I'm going to put it in this trash can. Not that we don't like portraits, but we're learning about landscapes today. So what is this one? Very good. It's a portrait. How about this one? Awesome. It's a photograph of a landscape. How about this one? Very good. It's a landscape. And this? That's right. It's a portrait. How about this one? A landscape. You're right. And this one? That's right, a landscape, an abstract one, but a really cool landscape. Good job. And this? Awesome. It's a landscape by the artist Thomas Moran. Isn't that so cool? How about this one? Landscape again. And this? Landscape. Good job. And this? Portrait. Very good job. Awesome. So today in art, you guys are going to be creating a landscape of your own. And we're going to be working with the element of art, line. Now, if you look in this landscape happens to have lots of zigzags because we're learning about zigzag lines today. A zigzag line is a line that goes zigzag, zigzag, zig, 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 zigzag all the way across. So it's a zigzag line. So here we go, zigzag. Can you draw one in the air? Zigzag, 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 zigzag. Did you make pointy teeth like you'd find on a dinosaur? If you did, you made a zigzag line. Good job.